Hey guys, what's up? Sped here, hope you're all good. Today we're going to be talking about the Rode Lavalier microphone. So the reason I wanted to make this video is a few weeks ago, Gab, my girlfriend, started her own YouTube channel. I'm going to link it up there. It's basically going to be a place where she records her poetry and spoken word. Maybe she'll go on to do book reviews and stuff like I've done, but for now, that's just what it is. As much as she liked the end product, she basically wants to do it on the go and said, could I find a decent microphone that would plug in to her iPhone? Now I know that you can get some Lavalier mics for about 15 quid on Amazon. And then obviously Rode do the Lightning Shotgun Mic and Shure do one as well. But I already owned two of these Rode Lavalier microphones. Now these are 169 quid each on Amazon. I would pay that every time for the sound quality and the build quality, and you get this really tough, robust, airtight case. So the only issue was, how do we get that into a smartphone? Now these Rode mics have their own connector called Micon, and I bought the Micon to XLR attachment, so I just go straight into my desk. What I didn't know is that they do an attachment called Micon 11. The Micon 11 attachment is literally just a tiny little double-ended extender and then a 1.2 meter TRS cable. So you basically screw that extender onto your new cable, clip your Lav Mic on, keep it away from your hair, and then we screw the Lav Mic into the Micon 11. If you've got an iPhone 7 or above, what do you do with that? Well, you plug it into this. I'm just going to quickly jump over to my iPhone 8 Plus. I'm going to show you what the inbuilt microphone sounds like, and then we'll connect the Rode Lavalier microphone. So you're now listening to the inbuilt microphone from my iPhone 8 Plus. I'm shooting in 4K and I'm about 4 feet away from the microphone. Now I'm going to plug in the Rode Lavalier microphone to the lightning port. Now you're listening to the Rode Lavalier microphone plugged straight into my iPhone 8 Plus. Shooting on 4K. You don't need to adjust any settings or change anything. You don't need to use a third-party app, although you could do if you wanted a little bit more control over the input gain, etc. I'm not going to do any post-editing. This is literally the microphone going straight into the iPhone camera app. Obviously, I've already done a little test before, and I think you'll agree that the sound quality is just way better. You get way less room ambience, the bass is thicker, the highs are crisper and clearer. If you're a vlogger or somebody who wants to make high quality videos on the go and they don't always want to take their full camera rig with them, and like me, let's say you already own the Rode Lavalier microphones, just get this Micon 11 attachment and you're going to improve your video quality tenfold. Just for the extra 15 quid this attachment cost me, I think it's a no-brainer. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, this probably won't mean as much to you, but for anyone who watches my channel regularly and sees me record in different rooms of the house, you'll notice I don't always have my clip-on mic on. That's just laziness, because sometimes I can't be bothered taking my H6, making sure I've got batteries, or plugging it in and then putting an XLR and syncing up the audio later, and I'll just use a shotgun mic on top of the camera. I could set up a boom mic and target my voice better, but sometimes I just want to make a quick video. So for example, right now, you're listening to the shotgun mic on top of the camera. It sounds way better than the internal microphone would on the camera, but obviously we're getting a lot of reflection from the room. This little attachment, I can always just plug straight into the camera now. No excuses, crispy audio all the time. Let's check out the difference. So now you're listening to the Rode Lavalier microphone going through the Micon 11 attachment straight into the camera, and I think you'll agree it sounds way better than the shotgun microphone. Obviously I don't have to sync anything up in post-production. I can just do all my EQing and compression in Final Cut Pro. On the Panasonic G7 you go into the microphone settings, and I picked specialist shotgun microphone, and I think that's just sent some power up to the little Lav Mic. So just a quick little review of the Rode Lavalier microphone. Like I said, I already own two of these. I've not been sent them, and I bought the Micon 11 attachment myself. I actually checked with Rode on Twitter before I bought the Micon 11 that this would work, and they got back to me straight away and they were really helpful. But I didn't even think about plugging it into my camera. It was just literally for Gabby setting up her new YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. We'll call it a smartphone hack. I've been Spedding, and this has been Spedding's Top Tech Tips. That could have gone wrong, couldn't it? All right guys, see you soon. Peace. Why do you take so long, autofocus? Why do you take so long? How much more do I need to be like moving for you to realise that I'm here? Open my eyes more? Is that making me more obvious to the autofocus? Apparently it does. Okay, if you've got a Panasonic G7, the only way to autofocus is to go like this, not to look directly into the lens, just to look at the screen like a really disappointed school teacher. Huh? Why did you take so long to autofocus? Oh yeah, I'll see you after school. What will we be doing? We'll be writing out lines. I will not take this long to autofocus in future. All right?